Hey everyone! Today I decided to do a little castle, and this bigger version is what I found on the internet, but I decided to do like a smaller version to put into a glass bottle. So this is my box full of like small glass bottles that I use for different projects, and I normally get them at the craft store. Not really a craft store, but like a dollar store, and they have like cheaper art materials, and the bottles like they cost like €1 for a pack of 6, so it's really affordable. For the paper, I'm just using normal printing paper, and it can be a bit finicky just because it's so thin, but you couldn't really do it with thicker paper just because it's so small. I should note that I did cut away some tabs on some parts because it's just too small and you don't really need them. You can just glue the edges rather than the tabs. This part is really hard to do. It's basically what comes on top of the tower, and I found it super hard to fold and make, so I just adjusted that part in Photoshop, so it's much easier to assemble in this smaller size. so this is the original bottom part of the castle, but because it's not in a circular shape, I'm not really using it, and I'm only using the courtyard parts to glue at the bottom of my castle. So for my bottom, I used some green cardstock, and then I just applied some white wood glue, and then I applied some fake grass. And I would suggest leaving it out to dry for like a day or so, and then vigorously tapping on the bottom so you dislodge all the stray grass, because once you glue it inside the glass bottle, it's going to be really hard to clean out any stray grass that attaches to the inside of the glass. I think it looks really nice in the bottle. I kind of wish my bottle was a bit higher, but I just didn't have one. Also, it's a bit hard to see with my reflecting lights, so I tried to turn off a light, but then the exposure is a bit wonky, so I hope you can still see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.